rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Nice stuff. I'm waiting on the girl. I'm waiting on the road. Yes, sir.
Money got long, speed got loud, the car got faster. Turned to a savage, spotted outside, her shit on me daddy. Smoking that gas, going on that side, she on the powder. Nowadays, I ain't more, my head got sadder. Money got long, speed got loud, the car got faster. All of this distraction, no time for acting. All this money last night, like go out to eat, get that black and salmon.
Hey, Ma.
Turned to a savage, spotted outside, she gon' be daddy. Smoking like gas, mama got time, he's flipping the powder. Nowadays, mama head outside. Money got the speed got no cover.
Yeah, yes, sir. Hey, what size port is that? I know it's a big one back there.
10 inches about.
That,
It's about.
You got-
It's about 10 inches on the bottom and top of the
yeah,
tank.
I know it's a big one back there.
Yeah.
You on social media, Facebook, anywhere they can follow you?
Not at the moment, man.
Not at the
I'm
moment.
gonna set me up something here shortly.
Okay, man. I'm sure they'll know this bill when they see it, man.
Oh yeah, man. I'm gonna be out here. I'll be making moves and making some noise.
Yeah, man. I look forward to seeing you again, bro.
All right.
Oh, it's still alive. He gotta come let me out. He gotta let me out of there.
You still rolling?
Yeah, it's still
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
Alright, so appreciate it, man. Tell him.
And you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.